What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Darius Parshavar. If you're new here, welcome. We do fishing, hunting, archery, all sorts of outdoor stuff. If you're one of my returning viewers, thank you for watching again. I really appreciate it. Today we're out here fishing. As you can tell, it's really windy out, but you know what that means? That only helps the conditions. We got wind, 70 degrees, and it's cloudy outside. Well, there they are. But it's cloudy enough, and you know what? Just got off of work, so figured with the time I have, I'll go and give her a dangle, see if we can catch some fish in these creeks, and let's get to it. Alright, so before we get started today, I just want to talk about real quick what I'm going to be throwing and why I'm throwing them in these windy conditions. We have this Booyah Pond Magic mini spinnerbait. Second, we have a Strike King shallow diving non-rattling crankbait. And thirdly, we have a Z-Man chatterbait in bluegill pattern with a Gamakatsu swim trailer. As you can see, there's all a common trend with all of these. They're all moving baits, all fish baits, and with the wind that we're experiencing today, it only makes sense that they're moving baits, as the bait fish are going to be scurrying and the bass will follow them soon after. So let's get to it and see if we can do anything. Well, that didn't take long. Got a bite the first second it hit the water. Going in with the chatterbait right where I got bumped. Hopefully we can pull out a couple giants, or at least catch a couple fish. Chatterbait. She's probably going to be on this one. Oh my god, first cast, no way. Stay on, baby. Oh yeah, nice one. Nice 2-pounder. Beautiful guy on a chatterbait. Right on the top of the mouth, just where you want it. Really solid fish. Big mouth on him too. Look at those chompers in there. Awesome. Get him back. There we go, number 2. Oh, it's a good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Stay on, baby. Stay on. Beautiful fish. Slight upgrade from the last one. Get him up here. Well over 2 pounds. Beautiful fish. Get another perfect hook set. Top of the mouth. Just how you want to hook them. Get that out of there. Beautiful fish. It almost looks like the same one, but it's not. A little bit bigger. These fish have great genetics. Get them back. Alrighty. Come on, fishies. They really like it. Even in this clear water, they're hitting a chatterbait like nothing. Just get another quick look at it. It's a Z-Man chatterbait, 3/8 ounce bluegill pattern. And I got a Gary Yamamoto. Did I say Gamakatsu earlier in this video? I meant to say Gary Yamamoto. I get those two confused a lot, but it's a swim trailer, 4-inch. I believe this is the perch pattern, perch bluegill, you know, relatively the same colors, but makes for a really good bluegill presentation. Whew. Super windy. Windy and gusty. No way. As soon as it hit the water. That's crazy. Little feisty guy. On that Strike King crankbait. Shallow diver. Almost serves as a wake bait. Nice fish. All right, just pulled up on this really clear, deep pool. See if we can snag a couple out of here. There we go. That didn't take long at all. Nice one. Damn. Get out of there. Get out of there. Oh, it came off. This is exactly what I'm talking about. They pile themselves up in this freaking hydrilla and they come right off. That's when I lose all tension with the fish. Line goes limp, fish comes off. Oh well. It's the reality of fishing grassy water. Alright, well, I fished as much as I could for this location, and we didn't do too bad. Got like 4 or 5 fish, well, maybe less. Hooked 4 or 5, maybe landed 2 or 3. And we're just gonna move now because I'm on a tight time frame and I do want to fish another location, but all in all, not too bad. So I'll see you at the next spot. All right, off we go to the next spot. All right, we've made it to our second spot. Let's see if we can pull anything out of this water. Skinnier water. It's even more brushy and more dirty. However, there are fish to be caught in it. Branch. There we go. That didn't take long at all. It's a good one. Great fighter. Boy, these fish are aggressive. Oh, that's a good one. Biggest of the day. Oh, wow. That thing is big. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice 4-pounder. Absolutely demolished the chatterbait. That might be bigger than 4. Feisty little thing. More like big thing. Get this out of his mouth. Right there. Come on, 3rd time's a charm. Or not. Good hook set right on the side of the mouth. We'll get him back in the water, keep him healthy. Really nice fish. Certainly 4 pounds, maybe bigger. Alrighty, yo buddy. Call him back. Hey, what's up, Derek? Oh, okay. Oh, did you leave your house yet?
Yeah.
How far are you from your house?
Not too far.
All right, turn around. We'll just run from your house. See you in a bit. I might be a couple minutes late. Trying to hook a giant real quick, but I'll be there like 7:05.
Okay.
All right, see ya. Bye.
Bye.
There we go. Not a big guy, but we'll take it. Come here, buddy. Oh, he's all dirty now. Choke that frog. Settle down, settle down. Get a little pounder on the frog. All right, we'll get him back. There's one right behind it. Oh my god, that was awesome. That was so awesome. I sight fished that thing in like two inches of water with a freaking topwater frog. Oh, that was awesome. I saw one come up behind it, and then this guy just came and exploded on it in literally like 2 or 3 inches of water. That was sick. Sight fishing with a topwater frog, cannot beat that in October. Great hook set too. He's gonna stay pinned, that's for sure. Alrighty, another nice little healthy 1-pounder. Get him back. Alright, see if we can catch this buddy before I gotta go. It's getting real dark. Oh, there is a whole group of them. Oh my gosh, I might catch another one. There's a whole group. Alrighty folks, well I think that just about wraps it up for today. I really gotta go. I'm already late for what I got going on next, so thank you for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, I really appreciate it. Feel free to subscribe or like. You don't have to, but it's really appreciated. And thank you. I'll see you next time. Peace.